I've been wanting to make this review for a very long time and now just getting to it. Perhaps because this vacuum cleaner is so good that there's really nothing negative to say about it. I just got so tired of the cordless vacuum cleaners. I feel like when you have a cord and you can plug it in, you're not worried about the vacuum cleaner dying on you during your cleaning session. And who has time in the middle of your chores to wait for the vacuum cleaner to charge? Let me show you how I disassembled this part. It's very important to do this once in a while to take out the debris and anything that's stuck over time. And cleaning the filter and that container should be really done after each use. This can be easily disassembled, and yes, it has several attachments to it. As you can see, the suction is quite strong. It has this really powerful motor, 600 watts. It does a superb job at cleaning vinyl or hardwood floors. It glides super easily, especially at targeting the corners from each side. Also, I have a few carpets in the house and it does a good job at that as well. So that was my thought process as it relates to the corded vacuum cleaner. And hopefully this video was helpful. See you guys next time.